What is digital marketing? Now, if you're doing anything related to online advertising or starting an internet business, it's kind of useful to know what all of these different weird terms mean. And I'm going to be defining some of these big terms in this video to help educate yourself. Let's get it. Oh my God, what do all these weird terms mean? What's the difference between content marketing and digital marketing, or native advertising and online advertising? All of these things are like kind of big terms and they have maybe very nuanced differences. But if you're going into starting an internet business, it'll be useful to be able to speak the jargon to, be able to converse with other people who have internet businesses as well. And also help you figure out what you're looking for to, start your business or take your business to the next level. Digital marketing is a really big encompassing word. It's actually a job title, Director of Digital Marketing or VP of Digital Marketing. And digital marketing encompasses all of these other aspects of marketing: content marketing, online advertising, native advertising, marketing automation, email marketing, online PR, and affiliate management. But what do these other terms stand for? Now, if you're starting an internet business, you may be thinking to yourself, why the heck do I need to know what all these weird terms stand for? But it's important, because if you don't know how to speak the jargon, if you don't know how to speak the language of internet businesses, there's a good chance you won't be very successful. If you can't speak the language, you're not going to do well in the country. It's just a fact. So I'm going to define these different terms based on my own research and also my own understanding, having worked years and years in internet businesses. I've been running my own internet business full-time since 2012, and I've been working in the industry since 2008. Currently, my business does $3.4 million per year. I don't have any employees. I do this weird thing called affiliate marketing, but I'm not going to go into that today. I'm going to be explaining what everything means here. Digital marketing, as I said, kind of is more of an umbrella term. It encompasses a lot of these different aspects of marketing. Now, what content marketing is, basically proliferating your content on YouTube, Instagram, podcasting, blogs, etc. It's getting your content out there. So it's really just kind of a top level of the funnel thing. If you look at marketing as, a funnel, and this is the ways people hear about you. Content marketing is, putting content up on Instagram. Maybe they're, for me, they're little motivational quotes, or on Twitter, again, motivational quotes, or on YouTube, maybe little motivational video. This isn't a motivational video, but it's an informative video, right? Podcasting, etc. This is all content marketing. Okay, top level funnel stuff. Now, online advertising, what this is the management of online ads, typically on Facebook, Google, and YouTube. Again, these are the main platforms for advertising, but you can be advertising anywhere on the internet. So it can encompass a lot of other different things. Online advertising can also encompass this one. This is where it gets confusing, because some of these terms aren't mutually exclusive, right? So native advertising is when you're advertising articles online, specifically when you're advertising articles online using ad networks such as Outbrain or Taboola or the other native ad networks, Plista, Locker Dome, nativeads.com, Content Ad, Rev Content, are some of the major native ad networks. Now, if you don't know what any of this means, that's fine. You're probably new to marketing, or you just don't work with native advertising. But if you've been working in online advertising and been running internet businesses for a while, it might be useful to know native advertising, because it's a huge way to get new customers in, especially if you have a product that can be marketed on a broad basis. Native advertising is very business to consumer. Marketing automation is kind of a subset of, obviously of digital marketing, but marketing automation is working with software tools to actually automate all these processes in your own marketing. And a lot of these things can be job titles in major corporations. Okay, you can be the director of marketing automation or marketing automation whatever person. But this is a very important role to understand, and this is working with CRMs. CRMs such as Infusionsoft or Salesforce or Velocify or whatever, Zoho, whatever CRMs you're actually working with. It's very important to know how to automate a lot of your marketing processes. Many companies, such as mine, I'm running a one-man show, but we do marketing across so many different platforms. I'm marketing on SMS text message using Call Loop. I'm marketing on email using Infusionsoft. I'm marketing on ringless voicemail using Stratix IVR. I'm marketing on direct mail using ZenSend. So we're doing a lot of different marketing campaigns at the same time, and I need tools to tie them all together and to automate all of these separate processes. What I do to do that is I do use my CRM, and I also use Zapier amongst other tools. But this is a job title. This is a full-time job because there's in complex marketing campaigns and companies that do marketing as their bread and butter. You need to be able to understand how to tie all these systems together so they work very effectively together so that you can better sell and market and inform customers about whatever product you have to offer. Okay? So, cool little thing there. Email marketing is simply the writing the sequences of different email campaigns. Now, for instance, in my business, we have an email campaign which we send for 30 days. Depending on what the customer does or what the prospect does, we have different emails that we send each person. It's very important to write our emails accordingly and also to optimize our emails based on open rates, based on click-through rates, based on even deliverability rates. All of these are important within email marketing, and for somebody to understand all these aspects, you have to really understand how it works. Now, online PR is an interesting one, right? This is a very new term, but public relations or publicity that you gather online is increasingly important. People are more often turning to online news blogs and Facebook pages and Instagram accounts to find out about new products that enter the market than they are turning to magazines or newspapers or TV news stations. So being able to effectively understand how to reach out to places that have audiences online and get them to run a story on you is very important. And it's actually something I'm looking for right now as an effective online PR agency. If you are one, please message me or say something in the comment. Affiliate management is the last kind of role that falls under digital marketing. And affiliate management is managing the different affiliates that promote your program on a commission-only basis. Now, for a company like Uber has thousands or tens of thousands of different affiliates that market Uber to customers. Okay, I'm one of them. And they need affiliate managers to talk to all of the people like me to get them to inform their audiences of the bonuses or specials or discounts or promotions that they have going on that week or month or year, whatever that is. So affiliate management is a very important part of many companies' businesses. I personally run my own affiliate program. I do all of my own affiliate management. We have over 4,000 affiliates that promote my product on ClickBank, the super affiliate system, every single month. We pay out a couple $100,000 every month to affiliates to market my program. So it works for them, it works for me, and it's pretty cool. Now overall, these are all the roles that kind of fall under digital marketing. It's a lot of stuff to stomach. They're kind of complex terms, but hopefully this gives you a better understanding of the landscape so you can be more effective when you go in there to battle to earn those profits for whatever business it is you run or you work for. Now let me know in the comments below if this video was helpful or if there's different subject matter that you would like to see more information on. Also, give this video a big fat like if you learned something new, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about what I do for a living, which is called affiliate marketing. It's basically selling products on a commission-only basis. I'll give you a free course once you subscribe. It'll just appear there on my homepage. Look forward to seeing you soon or in my next video.